Opening sa Oblique, Gerald, a Filipino citizen, was hired as an engineer under a 2-year employment contract. The contract stipulated
900,000 pesos. And that is it. So habang sinasagutan natin siya, i-recall natin yung natutunan natin. Diretso ka na ba? Purely for weekdays. Diba?